Good morning everyone and welcome to the intraday video day. Okay, what a Monday morning. It's been the Eurosd been very weak. We've been buying the Winnex. We always recommend to everyone you buy Winnex to make good trades. Alright, now what are the scenarios that we have on the Euro? And let me start with this. This is the 8 hours when many people are counting or likes to count this like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, in my book, I don't say it's not possible. There is no any rules that is not there within Elliott Wave. Everything is correct. In other words, there is no violation or anything. Technically, I don't like this as a wave 4. As in my guidelines, wave 4 should not retrace more than 50% retracement of a proposed wave 3. If we take a look right here, wave 3 and here, it went almost, not reach, almost to the 134, the 1618 area, and then the proposed wave 3 is about the 50%. So technically, it is nothing wrong there that I don't like it. Yes, because I follow some types of guidelines. And in my guideline is if the wave 4 get over the 51.8, the 50% retracement, for me is no wave 4 until you prove me wrong. That's the way we labor it, guys. That's why we are successful waivers, because you have to have guidelines. I believe that calling this move a wave 4, it can be possible, Tommy. Let me explain that to you. Don't see wrong with it in the way of violation of any Elliott Wave principle. But in my book, this is nothing more than forcing the issue. I would rather stay on the line or buy the risk. If I'm gonna sell it, it's like we did last week. Last week we were shooting for the wave 4, selling the issue every week. It denied it. It went too deep. So maybe it was because of the new. But let me repeat it, guys. There is nothing wrong with this to be a wave 4. Something that we don't like it. We would rather have it as an A, a B, and a C. All right. Let's put that in place so everything came out to be clear here. Now, let's move on to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, all you need to care now is this move right here, not even this. We know that this one is correct already. So we need to care about it is this move right here. Now, this move, we're going to start with this. Let me take those figures out and we're going to start with this. We are identifying this as the and wave 1, and then wave 3 don't even reach the 1618. So minimum in our book we should get back to around 136.70, 136.80. Now let's go a little small right here. Let me show you something that I've been mentioning all over the room, and it is that if you label this move from here to here as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, with the triangle here on the middle. Sorry, my bad. Triangle here, and then you got 1, 2, 1, 2, the drop, and 3, and then the 4 right here. From here, it went to the 3802. This low right here is nothing more than the 618 right there to the pit. So that's telling me that this is a 5-way move. Now, if this is a 5-way move, you need to find a way here. And right here, you can label it many times. You can many ways. You can say 1, 2 as an enroller, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 when this is 3, and then if you measure from here to here, you see that that low right there also didn't reach the 618 if you measure from there, but you can go as a diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 50% of the whole move. So in other words, what I see from the lows is nothing more than a 3-way move. A, B, C. So if you take a FIBO there, you see that the low not even reach the 1.618 that we always like in the wave 3. So it looks like this is a, it looks like that this is a three-way move in my book. Listen, I'm not forcing an issue. I'm just trying to be we're just trying to be see what the market is telling me. Look at the RSI from here, guys. You see this low gave you divergency, so that's one move already from here to here, and then from here you see that this was your wave 3 and you got divergency. So wave 3 do not give you divergency on the RSI. So in my humble opinion, this is a wave 3, a three-way move in my humble opinion. Of course, it can get a wave 4 and a 5. So that being the case, I would think that it should be from here. We are around the 23.6% of the wave 3, as we mentioned, 44. But if you go small, let me go small. What you see is that this was a 5-way move right here. This was a 5-way move, but from here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 as a possible, and then we can see if that was the case, then we can see from here, let me see, this high is the 618, and then we got 1, 2, we got 3, 4 and a 5. So technically we have a three-way move. Now we need to trace the FIBO from here and see the area around current levels. If we get a new high and this count is 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we got 5. We got 3 ways already. If we get a new high, we're gonna get a 5. If it is denied, then we're gonna go to the lower, to the new low as a wave 5 from the top of 139.34. That's very important. Another scenario is that this is a nest, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 and a 5, and another high is coming. Anyway, we're very, very close to have a decision in the market on whether this is a 3 ways or whether this is only a part of the 5-way move for 139.34 area. But for what we've seen, we have a good position. We are at the break-even levels as of right now, but we believe that a new high is coming and that the euro is gonna create a temporary low right here, and the trade is gonna happen as we have planned. All right, I hope you understand all the scenarios, and we'll get back later. Thank you.